how your heart really beats. The shocking truth inside. Every second, your heart beats not because of magic, but because of an electrical system wired right into your body. You don't even think about it. But if it stopped, you'd have just seconds left. Today, you'll discover how the heart's conduction system keeps you alive, and what makes this tiny powerhouse run like clockwork. The heart's conduction system is a group of specialized cells that generate and transmit electrical impulses. These impulses coordinate your heartbeat, telling the chambers when to squeeze and when to relax. Here are the key parts. 1. Sinoatrial node, SA node, your natural pacemaker. Located in the right atrium. It fires 60100 beats per minute. 2. Atrioventricular node, AV node, it holds the signal for a fraction of a second to let the arteria finish their job before the ventricles begin. 3. Bundle of his carries the impulse down the middle of the heart. 4. Purkinje fibers. These branch out in the ventricles and trigger the final powerful squeeze. The signal starts in the SA node and spreads through the arteria, causing them to contract. Then it hits the AV node, slows down for just a moment, then rushes through the bundle of his and out via Purkinje fibers. This ensures perfect timing between upper and lower chambers and a smooth, powerful heartbeat. And here's the wild part. It all happens without your brain. The SA node can generate impulses on its own even outside the body. In a nutrient solution, the heart can keep beating. Your heartbeat pattern is unique, like a fingerprint. If the SA node fails, the AV node takes over, but at a slower pace. If both fail, doctors use pacemakers to keep the rhythm going. Disruptions in the conduction system can cause arrhythmias, irregular, too fast, or too slow heartbeats. Your heart is more than a muscle, it's an electric machine that runs non-stop, every second of your life. Now you know what makes that beat possible, a brilliant system of impulses, timing, and automatic control. This is educational content about human anatomy. Subscribe for more insights about the brain, heart, senses, and more. There's so much more to discover inside your body.